Hi, I'm Chishnov, and I'm gonna analyze a game that I played recently, and it was a good game, kind of. And you can say I was like king of blunders in this game. So let's continue. D4, D5, like Queen's Gambit. You can say Queen's Gambit decline, and then like I don't know the opening name of this opening at least. So he played for. I mean, he should have at least taken out his black bishop. Like normally people take out his black bishop before playing e3. So that's okay, no problem. I have at least this is good for me. So I played my knight. Okay. So I should have taken his what can I say, pawn. I don't know why, but I kind of felt it that it would have been good. I mean, let's say if you would have taken my pawn. So I mean, I wasn't sure what to do right now. Okay, since it was showing in computer that I should take the pawn, but I was very very confused about that part. That why would I take the pawn? Because I would be practically losing my center. So I wasn't sure, so I didn't take it in actual game. But the computer was showing that I should take it. But it's okay. I didn't take it. If you would taken it, I would have taken it by my pawn. But the main problem was that I was giving his bishop a good place, and he didn't take it. So I was preparing for a castle, and he was also preparing for castles. Little late, but yeah, it's good to go. Then he played his knight. He played his pawn. So, well, trying to take a lot of space as much as possible. So I think it's okay. Doesn't matter anyway. I wanted to attack his pawn actually, but I was kind of confused that how to attack as soon as possible. I mean, I wanted to push my b b6 pawn. I mean b7 pawn to b6 so that I can take his pawn at c4, c5. But I thought at least you know have a knight to cover that space if other pieces come at that place. So I took my knight out. That's okay. And then he played his knight at g5. But I don't like knights at my area. It really, I mean, I get very very bad feelings when knight come to my areas, like really really bad feelings, because they have like a lot of, every time you allow a knight into your area, it becomes very strong, especially a knight, because you can't control every move. Obviously you can't control any move of any piece, but in case of knight I get very confused, since I am low rated player. So I prefer that I don't have knight at my zone, at least not up to, I mean, fifth rank. I want their knight to be in their ranks. Bishop is okay, I can see that, where it is attacking or not attacking, but in case of knight, I get very, very bad feelings. Always, always. It is a very, very bad feeling. So I wanted to take his knight. I thought he will move his knight somewhere else. I mean, I wasn't expecting to exchange my knight because I had a good knight actually on that place. So I would exchange it, but he took it from my knight. I thought he would take my bishop or something like that. I wasn't expecting that he would take my knight. So, it really hurts. So I had to lose my pawn for free in exchange of his knight going out from my area. I push my pawn so that I can I can exchange the pawn plus that I will attack his bishop. And I did it. Actually, it was a very good position for me. It was a very good position for me. I was very happy that, yeah, it's good to go. I could have played any move, but I fucked up. I Then I wanted to attack his bishop, so I took my knight at the place so that I can take his bishop. Since I had a free pawn, so I would obviously take the pawn. Then he saved his bishop since it was attacked, and the bishop moved. That bishop to d7 was a very bad move actually, since I wanted to take it to s3, so that I mean, h3 was a very like permanent place for my bishop. Really, I really like that place in every way possible. But I didn't take it. I don't know why. I was thinking that I should take there, but I was like, you know, that is too far. If somehow I make any mistake, that I would not be able to save my bishop. So I didn't take it there. But it was kind of safe position. It wasn't any danger there. I mean, you can't take the he couldn't take his queen to that place, nor his bishop. I mean, he doesn't have a way to attack my bishop. But I was kind of, you know, like, in a low rated player, my concept is that you don't take your pieces too far from your piece, too far from your space, so that in a bad time you should be able to save your pieces in any way possible. Like, if let's say just I played my piece, okay, so what happened, that he will play, let's say, g4. Then if he play g4, then I will kind of be stuck, I mean, let's say I first played my white bishop to h3. He moved his rook. Then he played g4. The moment he plays g4, I will be kind of fucked up, because I don't have a way to. I really don't have a way to. I mean, huh? I will be stuck at their point. So then I don't know what happened. When it was a blunder on his side, he he pushed his pawn from b2 to b3. That was a big blunder, but I completely forgot about that. But I would have simply taken a free piece, literally a free piece of knight, but I didn't take it. I don't know. I was completely focusing on bishop. So, it's a blunder, obviously. And then he attacked at my piece. So I take the a little late, but what can I say? I fucked up. Seriously fucked up. So I kind of saved my what can I knight. Then after that, he kind of start to push my uh, knight. So it's okay. I don't mind. Actually, I should have taken at that time my what can I say? Like, that's okay. So I took his bishop. Bishop is important at night, so I don't mind. His bishop was kind of active, pretty active. Again, I took the free pawn. It was free, so I just took it. Then he attacked my bishop, so I took it. I mean, it was the point where he moved his rook, so I moved on queen. Then, like, I was thinking that, man, I can still take his bishop, and I took it actually. And then he moved it knight. I don't know why did he move his queen, because I'm not sure actually. But it was an attack and it was kind of good place. So I was thinking that that's okay. I attacked his knight queen right now. I thought that I will take his uh, rook when he moved his queen, but I was really I had a really bad feeling. Actually, I sent him a take back after this point, because I completely forgot about the f2 pawn, that if you push I will fuck up in a bad way. So what can I say? This It was a bad move from me, and he did actually push his pawn. So what can I say? Then I back my bishop. Actually, it was a place that I really thought, yeah, come on, man, how can it this bad? Because I wanted a place to push my you know pawns. And when he pushed it, I had to take it from my, I mean, I wanted to take it from my rook. See, but I took it from my bishop. If I would have taken it from rook, then no, I wouldn't have lost my rook. I mean, he did not took my rook in any way possible. That was a good thing. So I took his two, you know, bishop, but I would have better idea. I could have exchanged in a better way, like my bishop for his rook, because rook, the pair of rook is very dangerous. If you can exchange it for your bishop somewhere, exchange it as soon as possible. Exchange it from your bishop to his rook, because a pair of rook is like dangerous combination. Stay away from that, because they are alone not very dangerous, but when they get together, man, this is worst case scenario. So I can check, he moved it queen. When this was the place actually not so good for me, so I just wanted to attack from the a5 first rank, so that's okay. Then he attacked my, then I check and took the free pawn. Okay, then he gave me a check, I gave him check. Then I was supposed to take the rook, but you know what I thought, that if I play my queen to this place, then if he moves his king somewhere else, then I will take his queen and then again check. Then he will probably take my rook. I was very happy after playing that, but I forgot he can take my rook because it wasn't secured at that point. I completely forgot about that. Seriously, I really hated that point. Why would why would I play this? I was really angry after that, playing the bad move. It is okay. So I gave him check. He took the step by queen, so I took the free pawn obviously. In a low rated game, take as much as pieces as you can. Eventually you will fuck up and you will get used to it. So he again take the chances and the free piece obviously. So I take it. Then I give him check. Simple. I give him again. I did not wanted to. I wanted to give him check, but I don't know why. I thought I have extra piece, so let's exchange it. And at some point, I will exchange the rook, and I will have extra pawns, a lot of pawns. So I was happy. If I would have given check, I don't know what was the purpose. So I wasn't good to go. So I took it, and I had a free rook, extra bishop. So I didn't mind. And it was the place that where he fucked up. Actually, he should have gone to somewhere. I mean, not around my pawns. But what can I say? He did fuck up, so it's okay. But it was his bad move, and in this position it was checkmate because it was covered by his own my pawn. Thank you, and subscribe. I mean, if I get to know better way to play at a low rated games, I will share the information with you. Please like and subscribe.